Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are back at it again. We're gonna create another game using ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI and compare them both. The game is the familiar game, the snake game that we used to play in mobile. So the prompt is as follows: create a modernized snake game for desktop using Python. The game should have smooth animations, sharp graphics, and a sleek UI. The snake should move seamlessly with arrow keys or the WASD controls. Implement a dynamic score counter. Increase the difficulty as the snake grows. Ensure that a polished and responsive design with smooth transitions and stylish visual effects. I'm gonna give this prompt to both ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI, and let's compare who can create a better game. Okay, I'm gonna hit on enter. I'm gonna hit on enter on both the chatbots, and let's wait for the response. Okay, so ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI have finished up creating the game for us. Let's copy the code and head back to Visual Code Studio. I'm gonna close whatever I have, delete this, paste. This should be renamed to Snake Game by ChatGPT. Just for our understanding, I'm gonna make another file and name it Snake DeepSeek.py, and I'm gonna get the code which DeepSeek has provided us with. I'm gonna copy and paste the code. We'll run both the games. First step, it's gonna be ChatGPT's turn. So let's open up the game. Okay, the controls are working. It looks pretty good. And the game ends without any warning, so we'll have to restart the game to play again. So that is an improvement that we can make later on in our gameplay. Okay, it seems to be working pretty well. Oh my god, it's pretty difficult to navigate the snake. Overall, I would give it a pretty good score. And now let's move on to the game that DeepSeek has created for us. Get these things out of the way. I'm gonna change the file name to deepseek.py and hit on enter. Okay. So I see that DeepSeek was able to create a much more fluent game than ChatGPT. Okay. I like the animation of the snake in the version of DeepSeek created, which looks more realistic than the game prepared or created by ChatGPT. So I would give +1 for DeepSeek for creating the snake game for us, better than the paid or limited version of ChatGPT, which is a good thing for the AI revolution. Thanks for watching. Okay.